Alright, so we making vegan shrimp and oysters fried. So we got our thank you bag. I must have already seasoned my vegan shrimp. Got my onion, got my and oysters. Self-rising flour and the Zatarain. So the reason why I got both of them because this too salty. So this gonna balance this out. But yeah. So as you see, we got that stuff in the flour mixture with the Zatarans, So we're gonna get it a good little shake and be right back. So as you can see, we got everything all coated up and good, and it actually kind of look like shrimp and oysters. Oh, these are oyster mushrooms, not the black pearl oyster. These are just regular oysters. And you know, in black kitchens, this how we cook chicken. If we ain't got no brown bag, it's gonna be a thank you bag. So I got my onion, I got my grease, and if you see that little stuff in the grease, that's crushed black pepper. So, no, crushed red pepper. I'm sorry, because I like spice. You feel me? So we got our little. Is that a cousin? If he don't get his ass out of here, he better get. I'm gonna kill this little ass. Yeah, this is my house. I ain't cooking for nobody. But anyway, like I told y'all on Facebook, the neighbors behind me looked like and smelled like they had roaches. 2 months after that post, them little motherfuckers started running. Now look right there. See that? Oh my God, today. See, your grease gotta be, it ain't gotta be super hot, but long as it's hot. Oh my Jesus. Yes, God. Yes, God. I ate these last night and I sauteed them, but I saw a recipe with them fried. Oh my God. And they taste like seafood. So that's why I'm frying, because they give you like an oystery shrimp, experience. Just like Tab say, thanks Tab for the motivation. Let me pause this. Yes. Okay, so there we go with the onions. So I bet y'all say what the onions for. The onions season your grease. It seasons your grease. That's that old school catfish onion, fish and onion broth. And let's see, we're just gonna God today. You see that? Look. Those look like oysters. Fried oysters. Nice, pretty golden. We'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, this is the last little round. And that's just, them little black things, that's just crushed red pepper. They float around, they doing their thing, they doing their stuff, they're making it spicy with the onion. But I'll be right back. Baby, listen. Let me turn that fan off. So, this is what they look like when they get done. Let me just focus the camera, right? So I tasted one. And it tastes every bit of like a catfish nugget or even a fried oyster. So this is definitely the way to go. If you're trying to get a seafood feeling and you vegan, catfish, oyster, it give me shrimp. It's just a seafood feel with the oyster mushrooms. Hold on. And there you have it. I had to get my parsley, my hot sauce, and my Heinz 57. Vegan catfish nuggets, vegan fried shrimp, vegan fried oysters. Use the black pearl oyster. That shit is good.